We are going to go for a very interesting topic, because this is a topic that affects the people of the entire world. No, not COVID, not COVID. This is something else. A disease that affects the entire world, particularly young children, and it can affect the grown-ups also. And we are going to read who are the great people who are affected by this disease, and also we are going to know what are the remedies, whether any remedy has come for this disease. So the name of the topic is development of polio vaccine. So we are going to read about polio. Okay, so open your book at page 88. Okay, so the topic is development of polio vaccine, and the writer is Bonnie A. Maybury Okonek. It's a very difficult name to pronounce. And Linda Morgenstern. And Morgenstern is the editor. So this is a topic about polio. Do you know what polio is? Polio is a disease that affects bone marrow, and because of that, generally the legs of the affected person becomes very weak, and so many people were suffering from this deformity of the body because of this infection. And that is why a lot of exercise, experimentation was undertaken to eradicate, totally remove this disease from the face of earth, like they were able to do for smallpox. But till now, polio is not totally eradicated, because it is a very complicated disease. It has got 2-3 ramifications. Ramification is 2-3 different impact on it, and that is why it is a difficult disease. But nonetheless, many people have found a solution to this disease. So we are going to start this topic, and this is the warm-up. We need this warm-up to know who are in this warm-up it is given, who are the great people who suffered from this. And because of the suffering of this great person, one man, that experimentation began in this field of polio vaccination. Poliomyelitis is the name of polio that we call as polio. Is an acute viral infection. Can you imagine it's a viral infection? Oh no, it cannot be a viral infection. But yes, it is just a viral infection, and instead of having sneezing or coughing or maybe a fever, not like corona, we get a very, very debilitating effect, a very destroying effect on the body. Infectious disease. And second thing is that it is also infectious. You cannot say that I have got a headache, and because I have got a headache, the next person will not suffer from headache. No, it's not like that. If you have a polio, there is a chance that you may infect the other person. And how you are going to infect this particular person? By touching him? No, not by touching him. So that is what we are going. All these things you are going to read in this topic. This infectious disease that spreads from person to person. Infectious, we know. Infection means primarily via the fecal oral route. Can you imagine this? It goes through the fecal and oral route. F-A-E-C-A-L. Fecal is that goes out of your body in the morning. Okay, so that is called fecal excretion that goes out of your body. Generally in the morning you have the food, and in the morning you take it out of your body. So it can come through that passage, it can go through the oral passage also. Polio is a very serious disease which can lead to paralysis or even death. At one time, polio was one of the most dreaded childhood illness of the 20th century. Even in the 20th century, There was no respite, there was no medication for this. The disease caused severe illness in thousands of children each year before the vaccine was introduced in 1955. So we have got a vaccine, a kind of an injection or tika ki injection, we got it in 1955. Thanks to the introduction and widespread use of the vaccine, the number of cases has decreased significantly. What is decreased significantly? You know significance? What is the significance of this thing? The significance of this thing, that it is a whiteboard on which we can write. And the meaning of the significant over here is not the same. Significantly mane bahut besi, pura reduce hai gala. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Have you heard the name of Roosevelt? He was the 32nd president of America. The most advanced country of the world. And the president of the country, Roosevelt, suffered from this disease. So now we come to the text now. In 1921, outbreaks of poliomyelitis plagued America. What is the meaning of the word plague? Plague is a disease that is spread by mouse, rat. Kintu over here we have the word ed added to it. By adding ed, plagued, it is no longer the disease plague, but it dreadfully affects. Okay, viciously, बहुत जोर से कहा को affect कर जाता है. He is plagued by, मैंने कहा जोर से मुंडा बहुत होता है. He is plagued by migraine. He is plagued by disease, पेट खराब, मुंडा खराब, or something like that. Plagued. So plague होची गुटे noun. इडी लागी गला बेड़े को it becomes verb and it becomes what? The people are plagued by that disease. बहुत जोर से affect होते हैं. That summer, a young politician named Franklin Delano Roosevelt was vacationing with his family at their Campobello estate. Roosevelt had already become a politician, mind you. If he has already become a politician, that must be his 21 plus. So if you are talking about polio, and if you think that only children suffer from polio, no, even grown-ups suffer from polio. So vacationing, what is vacationing? Vacation plus ing. So it was a verb. So he was just spending a vacation in his estate, in his jaga, ghoro, you can say that. After an exhausting day, fighting a local forest fire, taking a cold stream for relief, and then lounging in his wet swimsuit at home. So now, kon Jesus se kochati. Prathamare, there was a fire outbreak. So he went to fight the fire. Tapare asile, because he was tired, he swam in the lake, wherever it is, but it was cold. Mind you, the water was cold. And after that, he did not change. The moment you come back from exercise, immediately change your dress. That is the rule. But say thanda oda pani, he just lounge. Lounge is a place where you generally sit down and relax. But over here, the meaning of the word lounge is a verb, and the verb means that he was relaxing. He was relaxing in that cold evening, in that cold, wet dress. He went to bed feeling as though he had contracted a cold. Contract kaya mane empty chipi is what a contract. No. Over here the meaning is that he has got a cold. He has got a cold. Catch that catch caught a cold. Roosevelt found out he had polio. Unfortunately for him, he got polio. It was not an ordinary cold, he got polio. As did with Roosevelt, polio can strike quickly. What is the meaning of the word strike? Strike is something like this strike. So why polio strikes? Because polio is a disease that can fail you. F-E-L-L, fail you. Fail you मतलब वो काटी के ओपन दबा, बोलती ना वो काटी दबा ना तो वो ठीक है कौन? सही तो से वाटा आजी polio can strike quickly. The virus enters the body by nose, mouth and travels to the intestine. It can go through your nose, it can go through your mouth, it can go through your mouth and then it can go to your intestine. Intestine कोटी अच्छी जानी चला? अरे intestine का अच्छी आप बोलो भी करे? ना ना पेट intestine. Okay. When it incubates, it starts growing over there. Intestine होची तारो बापहर. So it is a body work. A few days later, most patients are either asymptomatic. बर्तमान जो कोरोना है तो मैं asymptomatic किंबा symptomatic वाटा सबुबले सुनो तो बा. Asymptomatic माने there is no symptom, outward symptom of catching a disease. Sorry. Can you still hear me? Okay. Or they experience flu-like symptom. So the first symptom a person gets is catching a cold, having a fever, and the fever feels like flu, influenza, such as headache, nausea mane banti. Sorry, vomiting. He can also banti koriba, vomiting, and fever. Whether they are symptomatic or not, people at this stage can pass the disease on to other. Don't think that tomor disease है सरला परे ही तुम्हें कहाँ को transmit करिबो. जो समरी साला tomor पेटो भीतर intestine भीतर it is germinating, it is growing. That is the stage when you can transfer the disease to someone else. Excuse me for 1 second. Okay. Polio can be spread through contact with infected feces. Look at the word F-E-C-E-S. F-E-C-E-S. Feces mane stool, jhada. Okay. Polio can be spread through contact with fishes or through infected fishes, not sabu fishes, or through infected droplets traveling through the air. माने आमे आजिकल जो मुहरे मास्क लगोचे कारण कथा कहिला बेले कि छिंकिले आम पाटिरु एमती बाहरी जो काले बाहरी गले then that will another person standing within a particular distance can catch this. Polio is also like this. तमाने मास्क ता हमर सबु बेले पिंदी के रहिबाटा भलो. Droplets traveling through the air. In food bhitere bhi asi pare, or in water re bhi asi jo. That is another frightening thing. Agote loko pani piitbo se glass e tome piidalo like that, or infected water re also. The virus next enters the bloodstream. First intestine re hala, intestine re it grows, and from intestine it goes into your bloodstream, and the patient makes antibodies against it. In most cases, this stops the progression of the virus. So then when it goes to your bloodstream, then you start creating antibodies. Antibody means capacity to fight against a disease. The antibodies are capable of fighting any other disease that comes to you, even including polio. In most cases, this stops the progression of the virus. Lifelong immunity against the disease is acquired. 10% of infected people develop symptoms and 1% develop the paralytic form of polio. Sabbu loko jo mane infected huanti, all the persons that don't get polio. All these people who get polio, out of that, most people, they develop antibody, a control against or a fighting spirit against any disease. And second rate, 10% people, they get infected. Even if they get infected, they don't lie down, fall down, or develop polio symptoms. Only 1% of people of the world who are infected by polio disease, Okay, they suffer from polio disease. Roosevelt was one of the unlucky ones. His legs were left permanently paralyzed. Roosevelt, the president of America, he had suffered before he became a president, and then he suffered from this paralysis. He was totally paralyzed. Paralyzed means tomorrow godo pura puri chalibo nahi, godo ho ki hato joti lagithiba, mainly godo. In cases such as his, the virus reaches the brain and spinal cord, where it multiplies and destroys the nerve tissues. तांको भलिया केस, रूजवेल्ट भलिया केस रे, it goes from the brain's blood stream to your brain. From the brain it goes through your nerve system, central nerve system, your backbone, and from there it is going to create paralysis, and the man or woman, child, whoever it is, the infected person will be paralyzed. At this point the disease becomes spinal or bulbar, involving the large 4 or 5 cranial nerves. से जो आमर backbone रे जो जाउची nerve system टा, okay, backbone माने आमर पछर जो हाड़ टा, ता भितरे इटा infect करिवो. Depending on which nerves are affected, both forms are characterized by muscular pain. जो कौन सी, even if you are affected by bulbar or your spinal, whatever way you are infected, at this particular time you have muscle pain. First रे तुम्हारा muscle pain हबा, and then stiff neck. The neck टा also आमे बेल बेले कोई नहीं, मोर neck टा बहुत काटुची. It's not that easy when with a polio patient. And back and possible paralysis. The spinal form affects the limb. If it affects the spinal system, then it goes to the limbs. Limbs माने हाथो गोड़ो. Okay, body part udaka. The bulbar form affects the lungs, so that patients cannot breathe. आगुटे bulbar form तुम कोई थिला उठी क्या करो? Bulbar form जदी है ची this polio, then it will affect your lungs, and because it affects the lungs is not able to function, and it will be difficult for anyone to breathe. After a severe attack of polio in its paralytic form, there is no treatment for the disease itself. After the person is infected to this particular stage, there is no remedy for that. Although symptoms such as muscular paralysis can be helped with physical therapy. Some people can go for physical exercises or massage or something like that, but no excuse, no remedy. How much a person will recover varies from individual to individual. So, what is the percentage of recovery of a person at this particular stage of infection depends upon the capacity of that person. Antibodies, how strong you are, we are, then that makes us fight against this disease. Next part ko ame jiba unit 2. Roosevelt was determined not to let this major illness get the best of him. What is get the best of? Get the best of. What is the meaning of this phrase? Get the best of me, money, not be able to defeat somebody. To get best of, so somebody is able to defeat you, but he did not allow the disease to defeat him. He not only continued his illustrious political career, resulting in his well-documented and long-term presidency of United States, but he went on to spearhead the fight against polio. So Roosevelt was not detracted. He was not defeated by the disease. He said that, no, I'm not going to be defeated by the disease. He had a strong mind. He fought, and he became the president of America. And after that, even after his presidency was over, his fight against polio was not over. He went on fighting against polio. Spearhead. What is the meaning of the word the spearhead? Have you seen a spear? आगरो ए टाइप रो गोटे नै करी समाने युद्ध करूथिले. Spearhead. এইটা হলো স্পিয়ার হেড এই জায়গাটা ওকে এটা তুমি যদি বর্ষা বলে তুমি যদি মারিব গোটে লোক মরଯିବ ওকে তো স্পিয়ার হেড মানে সে হি ওয়াজ হেডিং তার মানে হচ্ছে স্পিয়ার হেড মানে এই স্পিয়ার নুহে ইট ইজ নট দিস স্পিয়ার বাট he was heading the group of scientists doctors who are experimenting to kill this disease. Although polio never devastated large numbers of population like the plague or influenza, it was a frightening, highly contagious disease that attacked both the poor and rich and arose in terrifying outbreaks which seemed impossible to stop in spite of advance in medicine. And polio, polio jane de jon loko suffer kariba. It is not like that. A number of people, whether poor or rich, can be infected by this disease, and it was such a frightening disease. There was no remedy for that. Till Roosevelt's time, there was no remedy for that, and it used to spread very fast, and it was very frightening also for the people. Though the first of the century, through the first half of the century, co-century, 20th century, basic hygiene methods and knowledge had advanced tremendously. Amaro bortoman 21st century re madhya lokamane they don't try to be hygienic. So much of government is spending so much of money and awareness to create awareness that koti pana chapa pakaoni, koti khonkara pakaoni, koti rasta re 1 number 2 number karani, but still then we go on doing that. Okay, that is a big no. Don't do it in public places. Do it in a private place. Okay, allocated place. So if you maintain a good hygiene, then maybe you will not get all these diseases, maybe even corona. For the first time in civilization, people came to expect good health instead of merely hoping for it. Aguru, like 18th century in particular, people were suffering terribly from TB. TB hai lok mane mar jauthile. Now nobody dies of TB any longer. So we have got vaccine for that, and people know how to lead a healthy and hygienic life. If you lead a hygienic life, then you will have healthy life and you will not get any diseases. But polio still attacked. Everybody became very hygienic, but still then polio was attacking, very strange, and children were the most vulnerable. Vulnerable mane most weak, or rather weakest, and they were getting this disease very easily. Many can remember seeing in the early 1950s heartbreaking posters of children on crutches or in iron lungs. ahuri gote strange jinsa mane jahar polio hoba he will be walking with crutches kan to godo guda bonka tonka hai jaitiba so he will be that when a leg gets our leg is something like this okay over here is the knee kintu jahar polio hoba ta gododa bonka tonka hai jiba okay even padota bi sidha roi paribo nahi like this person ta padota bi sidha roi paribo nahi so bonka tonka godo re chaliya pai it's very very pathetic to see these people suffering so much, anybody who gets this particular disease. So tatu ahuri horrible is that people were walking around with iron lungs. Tame to lung mane kon janicho na lung ro odia kon I don't know, but lungs everybody knows what is lung, what is heart. ame so janiche akhi kon naka kon so janiche lungs hochi amaro heart pakhre achi. When it is affected by polio, the lungs they collapse, they die. So there will be an iron lung outside your chest. Ki back re loga habo, chest loga ki back re loga habo. Tume taku dhari ki boi ki chalithibo. Just imagine how pathetic it is, how painful also. Ojan bi thibo. The cumbersome mechanical aids which helped those whose lungs were paralyzed to breathe. So cumbersome, it is I mean this inconvenient. This naturally iron lung ta, it must be very very difficult for that person to move around in that kind of a contraption, this kind of a thing. Lacking a vaccine, parents throughout the country panicked, keeping keeping the children from schools and other public facilities, why could not a vaccine be found? So it is exactly like, you can say, it is exactly like the corona we are afraid of. We won't be taking this class if there was no corona. Once the corona vaccine comes, we hear that corona vaccine has already been invented, but it has not come to us. And once it is there, you'll be sitting over here and I'll be over here and we'll be interacting. Not one-way kind of a thing that is going on now. So beforehand also people were afraid. They were not sending their children to the school. Developed method natila. I'll be talking to you over here in this place from Bhubaneswar, and you'll be staying somewhere hundreds of miles away and listen to it on your mobile phone. So it was very, very dangerous. Excuse me. So, vaccine developments for polio had begun in the early 90s. Man 20th century ro beginning re arambha hoy jaithila. The vaccine, invention of the vaccine had begun in the very, very beginning of the 20th century. However, early attempts failed. Initial attempt to the medication was not proper to stop the disease from spreading. Partly because researchers did not know there was more than one virus. That is another thing. There were rather 3 viruses. Okay. So, you think that there is only one virus, then you create medicine to fight this virus and don't drop it. But you do not know there are 3 types of virus which attacks a person or in polio disease. So, sorry. We now know that polio is caused by 3 strains of quite stable viruses that are a part of the enterovirus family. Virus that enters into your body, it has got 3 strains. Gote strain, duita strain, tinta strain. 3 strains mean 3 different types of infection. Okay. Which have RNA as their genetic material. आमे जानी छे आम बॉडी भितरे RNA DNA अछि in our gene. आमर जीन टा एमिति जाइछि तबे तो देखिथिबो चित्र रे सबुठी ता भितरे आमर RNA DNA रहिछि आ RNA भितरे जाइकरी सेटा affect करूछि this disease. So it was very, very difficult to trace it and to fast ago trace करले तो तबे ताको eradicate करिवो ना. So that was the problem. These viruses can remain infectious for long period of time in water and foods. Ebe kon hochi ame jani ame mask pindale seti jone gote meter away from us somebody sneezes. Gote meter jodi mu durare thibi seguda tole podi jibo au it will not infect anyone. But the polio disease was not like that. They will continue to live in water, in the fishes for a very long period of time. To be effective, a vaccine has to confer immunity against all 3 strains. Confer mane bestow kariba, mane taku dobba. Immunity, to give immunity against somebody is suffering from polio. Nobody knows whether he is affected by this or this strain. So a vaccine has to be there which should attack all the 3 strains and to destroy it. Right? So ironically, before the 1900, immunity was acquired primarily during infancy. Now, this is a very crucial point. That before 20th century, beginning of the 20th century, children, babies, they used to get immunity when they are small. And how they used to get it? They used to get the immunity from their mother. because sanitation conditions were poor and efforts at sewage and water treatments were primitive. So now at that time the cleaning system and was primitive. It was in a very, very old stage. People were not very clean. They did not know the advantage of being clean. So that was a big problem where by which polio can spread. These infants did not contract the disease because their mothers' antibodies were passed on to them through breastfeeding. There was a style, the children were not breastfed by their mothers because it was against style. But when a baby is breastfed by the mother, then the mother had already developed antibodies because everything was very dirty. She was also living in a dirty condition and she had developed antibodies in her body, and through her milk the antibody will go to the child and the child will automatically be strong to resist the infection because their mother's antibodies were passed on to them through breastfeeding. The babies then developed their own antibodies to the virus. When the babies were growing from infant to they developed their own virus, antibody against the virus. Paradoxically, when sanitation improved, infants were no longer exposed at an age when they were protected, so they did not develop antibodies to the virus. But contrary जिनस आसी जाउची. When everything was dirty, children were not contacting polio that much because they were getting antibody from the mother. Strong है कि जन्म होतले, तापरे fight करतले, तापरे भीमा हुआ strong है जाउतले. But now what happens over here? Now that everything is clean, mother is living in a clean place, they were drinking clean water, they are living in a clean place, so the mother doesn't have antibody and the child is not developing antibodies of its own. तामने सबो जिनसटा गोटे उल्टा पुल्टा हेके रहिछि. Okay. Consequently, when they were exposed to the virus in later childhood and adulthood, they were at risk to contract polio. So when at a later stage, if they were सबु जगह सफा हैला बेले सबु जगह सफा हैनी, लोक माने वर्तमान सुधा भी पोखरी पानी जाउचंती एंड छाप पकाउचंती एंड यूरिनेशन करूचंती, एबे भी करूचंती in the 21st century. So if the person who is doing all these things is an infected person, from that infected person it can come to a healthy person, and we healthy persons are also weaker because we drink clean water, we don't fight, we have got less immunity. I don't know, I'm not a doctor, I don't know exactly. The understanding about the nature of polio grew through painstaking research over the first half of the 20th century. Much of it functioned by March of Dimes, a grassroots organization founded with the help of President Roosevelt, because Roosevelt himself was suffering from polio and he was helping a grassroots तामाने घासरो चेरो no जोटा गोटे होची organization that works at a very from the low level to the high level, from the low level जो माने काम करी करी आसंती सेटा grassroots level कहंती. From the grassroots level this particular organization NGO was working. आमे NGO कहले बेसी भलो बुझ पारिबा. Okay, सेटा होची तार ना थिला March of Dimes, the name of that particular NGO. So it enlists the services of a respected researcher who was certain he could find a safe vaccination. So now this NGO had taken the help of a great scientist, researcher who was trying to find a result for this polio disease. Dr. Jonas Salk, the name of the researcher was Dr. Jonas Salk, had begun his medical research career studying immunology. Hi, this is very interesting because this person himself, why he was appointed? Because he was an immunology. Immunology is that branch of medical science where researchers and doctors that try to find solution to or immunity for patients suffering from different diseases. In 1947, okay, while the 1947 ta ko age kichi koi paribo? There is something very interesting about 1947. Okay, try to remember this. While at the University of Petersburg, he began his research on polio virus. His research was greatly helped in 1949 when a method of growing polio virus in cell culture instead of having to use primarily monkeys for research. Agote kotha hochi ame nekiri jodi mane karo animal manaka upare if we do research, then they will also suffer. This is suffering is very bad. So they started doing it on potra fotra amka samka jinso upare. They started the research. Cell culture, not patra, but cell culture. What a cell taku nahi asiki body from the human body, cell nahi asikri. Then they started experimenting on it. In 1952, Salk ye से जो scientist, the researcher who was practicing working on immunology, Salk was the first to develop a successful vaccine using a mixture of the 3 types of virus grown in monkey kidney culture. So monkey, they took the kidney of the monkey and kidney is over here pachapot side re monkey ro kidney mane mola monkey heitibo nischay taku kon jionta monkey pare koi parbe na so nei kri ta upare research kari they try to find. I don't know how they go about this research. I'm a literature student, I don't have much idea, but class ko asiba agaru mo kichi pade dictionary and other things or your great brother Google. Okay, he developed a process using formalin, a chemical that inactivated the whole virus. So now he found a particular medication against the virus, formalin. Using formalin, he found a respite for the disease. What followed was massive testing of the vaccine in clinical trials in the United States and parts of Canada began in 1954. Now, by 1954, they had started experimenting this on human beings also. The scope of the trials was unprecedented. There is no precedence. There was no history before this particular event. 1954, there was no proof of any kind of a solution like this that was found in 1954. The results were dramatic. Causes of polio fell spectacularly in the vaccinated test group. All those people who were vaccinated with polio vaccine that was made during 1954 or during that particular time, and the rate of polio infection dropped drastically. Mane jo mane hei jaychanti already diseased nuhe, they were trying it on a broad spectrum, broad lokomanko upare. In 1955, the government quickly granted permission for the vaccine to be distributed to the children of our country. So it was given to the children. But there was a problem with the original Salk vaccine. So तुम जानी तुम गोटे काम करिया गला बेले बहुत गुडे हिंड्रांस पडुतबो रास्ता रे गला बेले को बहुत गुडे हम्प्स जाउतबो हम्प्स पाकरे फिर तुम स्टॉप हेकरी आस्ते करी चढ़ी के जाउतबो. So that is what scientific experimentations are like. The vaccine actually induced 260 cases of poliomyelitis, including 10 deaths. Vaccine naked 10 people died and 160 people got infected. Okay, what a great problem it must be. The problem was traced to incomplete inactivation of some virus particles, which was soon corrected. Mu tumku kahili je virus ro tinita stream achi, tinta stream bitare kette kon jinso thibo jana nai em achi bahut gode jinso ta bitre roichi. So they were trying to fight against all these problems, but this one was left out, and this caused the problem. 160 patients, 10 deaths. The problem was stressed to incomplete inactivation of some virus particles, which was soon corrected. So now after this it was corrected. Since then the vaccine has been highly effective with 70 to 90% protection rate. So after using it, 70 to 90% protection against the disease was found. In 1957, in an effort to improve upon, what is to improve upon? Improve pare, tame improve pare upon लगेबाकू पड़िबो the preposition improve upon माने improve करिबाटा. So improve upon the killed Salk vaccine. Albert Bruce Sabine began testing a live oral form of vaccine in which the infectious part of the virus was inactivated. So further experimentation went on, and there was another researcher, Albert Bruce Sabine. So he invented an oral one party re drop the lavaliya but a vaccine barila. This vaccine became available for use in 1963. The Salk vaccine is given in 2 intramuscular injection spaced 1 month apart and requires booster every 5 years. जेतबेले फर्स्ट वैक्सीनेशन टा आरंभ होइतला इंजेक्शन टा प्रत्येक वर्ष तुमे नबो सेटा नहीं 1 मंथ रे स्पेस्ड माने 1 मंथ गैप रे तमे नै के जीवो तापर 5 वर्ष गैप रे फेर नै के चलिबो 15 वर्ष पर्यंत इंजेक्शन टा तुमको नबा पई पड़िबो. But now things have changed. Because of the way it is inactivated, the vaccine is safe for those with compromised or weakened immune system. There are all these people who have got less immunity or immune system, even those people are now getting respite from polio. The Savine oral vaccine is given in 3 doses in the first 2 years of life. Instead of giving it every one month, now the vaccine is given every 3 doses in the first 2 years of life. Within 2 years, they will be given 3 doses. Try to remember this. And a booster is given when the child starts school. After starting school, a child will be given a booster dose, an extra dose. Further boosters are not given unless the patient is exposed to polio or will be traveling to an endemic region. So what is an endemic region? The region, the place which is known to have polio viruses, polio diseases. Unless otherwise you are going to a place like that, you will not be given any further polio vaccination. The advantage of a live oral vaccine are its long-lasting immunity. Oral de dela belaku injection apeka to kam katibo and it has got a longer-lasting impact. Why? I do not know. I am not a researcher. They have researched and found out that it is going to continue for lifelong. The prevention of reinfection of the digestive tract and the lower cost of administering the vaccine orally because sterile syringes and needles are not necessary. First is all, if you are taking an injection, so many injection syringes have to be got. Otherwise, you go on boiling it and all that, it is not totally sterile. Sterile means that infection not tibo. Tomari injection series bhetare. Bartan tume jodi patri gote oral drop te pakelo, ta dere ta au kichi infection not tibo na. So it is a better thing. However, a major disadvantage is that it cannot be used for patients with compromised immune systems because it is a live virus and can cause disease in these patients. But still then there is one problem left. There are some people who have got low immunity because of something or the other. So they have got low immunity capacity. Immunity capacity is low thigh. Those people, for those people there was no vaccine for them. It also cannot be used by those in close contact with immunocompromised patients because the live virus in the vaccine can be shed in the faces of those who ingest it and can possibly be transmitted to the immunocompromised patient. Tapore aw gote kotha hala, supposing a person, supposing this person has got low immunity capacity, this person standing over here or living with this particular person cannot be given the vaccine. If he is given the vaccine, first you are given a dose, and if you are given, this person is given the dose, and this person comes in contact with this person who already has got low immunity capacity, and this person, the injection that or the vaccine oral dose that this person has taken can affect this person. So eta bi gote another problem. Another disadvantage of the Sabin oral vaccine is that those who have an enterovirus infection of the gastrointestinal tract when taking the oral vaccine may not develop the immune response. Another thing is that बहुत जनकर gastrointestinal diseases अच्छी माने gastric problem gastrointestinal मान gastric नहीं तो पेट भीतर किसी infection धारा रहुची कौन से उड़ा को हाजी बा को रकम disease पेट disease जद किसी रहुची okay those kind of people also cannot be given this thing, this oral drop or this vaccine. Clearly, both vaccines have their advantages and disadvantages with regard to relative safety and cost. So, there is one thing is cost, time, and there is safety, and there is also problem. So, now we come to the last part of this chapter, of this essay. The debate between safety and cost will continue. Whether you care for safety or you care for cost. Basic paisa de dele mo paisa sarjo mo paribini. अरे बेसी पैसा दियो हेले कौन हो तुम तो सेफ पाइबो ना. This debate will continue, but we are fortunate to have two good alternatives to choose from. Whether you will take oral vaccine or injection, it is up to you. Both vaccines are currently in use throughout the world. In the United States, the swine vaccine is used almost exclusively. In other countries, the Salk vaccine is preferred. को देशरे एटा को देशरे सेटा कि इंजेक्शन नवा को प्रिफर करूची कि ओरल डोज नवा पे प्रिफर करूची. Research continues to improve these vaccines. Most effective culturing and purification techniques have been developed, allowing the vaccine to induce higher levels of antibody formation. So now, I mean, we have already talked about antibody. There are some people who have got low immunity. They antibody less achi. So even those people can be treated now, may be treated now with improved research and vaccination. In the exciting research field of recombinant biotechnology, scientists are also attempting genetic alteration of the polio virus. Very interesting is the asala. Ame dekile dhara polio virus sa dekhiya pe dhara supposing emiti mu dekhini taku. Supposing emiti. So जब जदी ए रकम तार शेप टा ए रकम that then it can affect say 100 persons. तार शेप टा जदी change हे गला ए रकम, maybe it will affect only one person or two persons. So now they are trying to change the shape of the virus even. Researchers are using Escherichia coli, a common bacterium that inhabits the gastrointestinal tract of humans. तमन human मान का body रो नहीं करी किसी किसी जिन्स बैक्टीरिया नहीं करी ह्यूमन मान का इंटेस्टाइन रो नहीं करी ताकू इम्प्रूव करी ताकू फिर इंजेस्ट कर दो ह्यूमन बॉडी रे. Work is being done to take the genes of poliovirus which code for the synthesis of the viral capsid and to combine it with E. coli genes. So now they are trying to take say some problem area from my intestine, and they are taking the injection, they are trying to combine these two, and they are trying to find another result for eradicate polio disease. The discovery and use of polio vaccine has all but, what is the meaning of the word all but? Almost, not totally, all but eliminated polio in the Americas. In 1960s, there were 2,525 cases of paralytic polio in the United States. By 1965, there was 61. Between 81 to 90, cases averaged 8 per year. So, thousands, lakhs ru kami bartaman 1 2 re pahunchi galani, and most of those were induced by vaccination. There was not even a single case of polio caused by the wild virus since 1979. 1979, after 1979, people are not getting this disease, almost none, with a rare case reported each year from persons coming into the country carrying the virus. America itself does not have the disease any longer. Unless and otherwise a person who comes from another country and goes to America, and this particular person inside his stomach, inside its body, the disease is already there. Otherwise in America, the disease is not there. In 1994, polio was declared eradicated in all of Americas. America is without polio disease. In 1988, the World Health Organization, WHO, set a goal of eradication of poliomyelitis from the entire world by the year 2000. And who wanted to eradicate polio by 2000? Before the 21st century came. This is theoretically possible since the polio virus is found only in humans. And interestingly, polio is found only in humans, not in monkeys, donkeys, or any other person. The humans can be immunized. Makado mananku immunize kariba apeka human ku immunize kariba is easier. Okay, smallpox was the first disease in history to be eradicated. I have already told you about smallpox. Smallpox ko ame Odia re basanta boli kautulu. Basanta is totally eradicated from the world. It seems likely that polio could follow in its footsteps. To follow in somebody's footsteps mane tame gote pado pakaicho, ta pado pakiki agaku jaicho, mu tamo pado upare pado pakaili. Okay, so smallpox is eradicated, totally removed, and now polio is going to follow in its footsteps. Tamane polio madhya, there is a possibility that polio will be removed from the world completely. Okay, so now we know a lot about polio vaccine. So now we have to see that we saw over here that polio disease affects people, affected people, affects people, will affect people. Why I am telling is this, that I am talking about past, present and future. Okay, so now we are going to, past hochi jota sori jaichi, present hochi aji, future hochi kali jota asibo, future. So this is what polio vaccine has taught us. Our grammar ta is based on this particular thing. Past, present and future. So the past question of grammar that is there in the topic. But still then it is there in page number 98. Turn to page number 98 and we are going to do that. Particular group B. 98B. Ramakrishna fascinate him. Make it past tense. Ramakrishna fascinated him. Okay. Wanderlust mane bulibara jo ichhata. Wanderlust siege mane janaku tanike dharibata. Seize him. Wanderlust seized him. Seized him. He feel the presence of an inward power. Tankar bhitarara power achi. Se feel kale. Feel ro past tense hochi felt. He decide to take part in the parliament of religion. Decide past tense, decided. A friendly Maharaja give him this passage. Give money, give past tense, gave. He address The audience as sisters and brothers of America. Address, past tense, addressed. Hundreds rise and applaud. Etar past tense kariba. Hundreds rose, R-O-S-E, rose and applauded, applaud, ed, applauded. He used no written text, not even notes. Use, past tense, used. America's outward glitter not deceive him, did not deceive him. Deceive the past tense, did not deceive. Deceived nue, deceive ed, deceived nue, did not deceive. He preached Hindu philosophy. He preached Hindu philosophy. Fill in the blanks with the verbs given in brackets in passive voice. Civilization not, does not inherit. Civilization does not inherit so and so. It learn and earn by each generation anew. It learns and earns by each generation anew. If the transmission of civilization is interrupted for 1 century, therefore importance is given, blanket charaiji is given to higher education. College is designed to meet the needs of higher education.